Lilla here from United Methodist Communications. Today we're in the kitchen trying a recipe for potato puffs from one of the oldest known Methodist church cookbooks. Now this recipe is from the Ware Cookbook, which was published in 1898 by the ladies of the Methodist Episcopal Church in Ware, Massachusetts. The recipes from this 25-cent cookbook are a little tricky because cooking at the turn of the 20th century was still done over a kitchen fire. We're going to try Mrs. George S. Marsh's recipe for potato puffs with some modern shortcuts. So we microwaved our potatoes for 10 minutes and then cooled them so that they're cool enough to handle. Now we can just scoop out the middles. So with the peels removed, we can now mash those with butter, salt, cream, and 2 egg yolks. Now Mrs. Marsh baked these in cast iron gem pans, but I'm using a nonstick muffin pan sprayed with cooking spray. Next time we're going to try loaded potato puffs. Add some bacon, chives, cheese, and maybe sour cream. For this and other vintage Methodist cookbook recipes, visit our webpage.